Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can download photos or videos from Instagram post. So without any delay, let's begin. First of all, you have to search for Instagram app on your phone and then open it. And once you have opened the Instagram app, search the post or video which you wanna download. For this video, I want to download this photo. And for that, you have to click on the share button which is located just at the side of the comment option. After that, we can see an option saying copy link, so click on it. This will copy the URL of this post. Now simply you have to close the Instagram app and open any browser you want. I will be opening it on Chrome browser and search for a website called Snap Insta. Click on this first link and in this text box you have to paste the URL which you have copied from the Instagram app. After you have pasted it, click on the green button saying download. Now simply close this ad and from here, as you can see, we have gotten the link of our Instagram post. Now you can download whichever photo you want. I want to download this photo, so I will be clicking on download photo. As you can see, the file has been downloaded, and that's it guys. This is a simple and easy process how you can download photos or videos from the Instagram app. If you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching till the end.